a brand new Canon printer to test installing it in Ubuntu Mate. I checked the Canon website. Hey, there are Linux drivers. It saved me searching the web. Yay! Now, of course, from here, you have some options. Ubuntu, of course, takes .deb files, .deb downloads to install software and or drivers. So with these multiple options here, you want a .deb file 64-bit, and that's what I chose to download, of course. So I saved this, and what I did with this, I decided to extract this to my desktop. Okay. Now from here, a Windows user would probably double-click that and say, hey, it says install, yeah, double-click. And nothing happens. Wah, wah. Now, is that the Windows user fault? I don't think so. Look, if you are using Ubuntu-based systems, most of those systems, if not all of them, have a built-in printer driver or printer utility pre-installed in the system. What you want to do is take your printer, and it could be any printer, attach it to your computer with a USB printer cable. Cable not included in the printer purchase usually. I just happen to have one, but usually a cable is not included. If you attach it that way and click that add a printer utility and you are connected to the network, it will find a driver for your printer. You install that, reboot, and the printer should work. This works 90+% of the time. It's probably the easiest way to install a driver. I still prefer going to the website first, but this should work. Now, that being said, I would forget about Canon printers in Linux. In my historical, in my history of tests for drivers for printers in Linux, I would choose either Epson or HP and forget about the rest. Let me know what you guys think.